Every moment, the universe dances. From the cosmic waltz of galaxies to the frantic jitter of subatomic particles, everything is in motion, constantly transforming. We, as humans, have always sought to understand the ceaseless change, to peer into the fabric of time and predict what comes next. What if I told you there's a single mathematical operator, a profound engine of time, that allows us to do just that? This isn't about fortune-telling or crystal balls. This is about physics, the fundamental laws that govern reality. For centuries, scientists dreamed of a master equation, a key to unlock the future of any system, given its present state. That dream, in many ways, found its realization in a concept known as the Hamiltonian. At its core, the Hamiltonian is a mathematical operator that represents the total energy of a system. Think of it as a blueprint of all the kinetic energy, energy of motion, and all the potential energy, stored energy due to position or interaction, within a given setup. This deceptively simple sum holds the secret to how that system will evolve. In classical mechanics, pioneered by figures like Isaac Newton, we described the world with forces and accelerations. But by the 19th century, Irish mathematician William Rowan Hamilton offered a revolutionary reformulation. He showed that if you know the total energy of a system, expressed as its Hamiltonian, you can derive its entire future trajectory. This framework became known as Hamiltonian Mechanics. The beauty of the Hamiltonian lies in its ability to generate time evolution. It tells us how the state of a system changes from one instant to the next. In essence, energy isn't just a quantity, it's the driving force behind all motion and transformation. The Hamiltonian encapsulates this dynamic power. Imagine a pendulum swinging. Its Hamiltonian accounts for its kinetic energy as it rushes through the lowest point, and its potential energy as it momentarily pauses at its highest arc. The constant interplay, governed by the Hamiltonian, precisely dictates its elegant, predictable swing. But where the Hamiltonian truly shines, where it becomes an almost magical predictor, is in the enigmatic realm of quantum mechanics. Here, we're not dealing with billiard balls, but with probabilities and wave functions describing the likelihood of finding a particle in a certain state. Enter the Schrödinger equation, one of the most famous equations in physics. At its heart lies the Hamiltonian operator. This equation describes how the quantum state of a physical system evolves over time. The Hamiltonian acts upon the system's wave function, effectively pushing it forward through time, revealing its future probabilities. By solving the Schrödinger equation with the appropriate Hamiltonian, physicists can predict the energy levels of electrons in atoms, how molecules will behave during chemical reactions, or even the likely path of subatomic particles. It's how we understand the stability of matter and the intricate dance of the quantum world. The Hamiltonian is, quite literally, the engine of time for physical systems. It's the mathematical device that takes the current state of the universe, computes its total energy, and then tells us how that energy will redistribute and transform, thus moving everything forward into the next moment. This concept extends far beyond individual particles. The principles encoded within the Hamiltonian are fundamental to understanding everything from the formation of stars to the complex dynamics of biological systems. It's a unifying concept that underpins our deepest understanding of reality's relentless march forward. So, the next time you marvel at the precision of a clock or ponder the mysteries of the cosmos, remember the Hamiltonian. This single mathematical operator, representing the total energy of a system, is not merely a tool for calculation, it is the fundamental engine driving time itself, allowing us to predict the unfolding future of the universe.